Hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN. HDN is a condition in which a newborn experiences rapid and excessive destruction of red blood cells. There are two main causes of HDN, 1. Rh incompatibility, and 2. ABO incompatibility. The rhesus factor, or Rh factor, is a certain type of protein found on the outside of red blood cells. People are either Rh positive, they have the protein, or Rh negative, they don't have the protein. Generally, people with Rh negative blood are more commonly found in Europe and Africa, while those in Asia typically have Rh positive blood. Let's see the first causes as Rh incompatibility. This occurs when there is an incompatibility between the Rh antigen in the blood of the mother and the fetus. Specifically, this happens when the mother is Rh negative, and the baby is Rh positive. In this case, only the Rh factor is considered, regardless of the blood type. A mother and fetus with differing Rh statuses can be at risk of HDN because Rh negative and Rh positive red blood cells have different characteristics. For example, if both the mother and baby have blood type A, but the mother is Rh negative and the baby is Rh positive, the mother's red blood cells will lack the D antigen on their surface. When a mother with Rh negative blood carries an Rh positive baby, the first pregnancy typically results in a healthy newborn, provided there is no trauma or injury to the abdomen during pregnancy. During the delivery of the first baby, blood from the baby can mix with the mother's blood. Normally, the blood of the mother and baby is separated by the placenta, but if the baby's blood mixes with the mother's immune system recognizes the baby's blood as foreign and begins to produce antibodies in the form of IgG. These antibodies are then ready to attack the red blood cells of a future Rh positive baby. If the mother becomes pregnant with a second Rh positive baby, the risk of HDN is high. However, if there is trauma, miscarriage, or other factors that cause blood from the mother and baby to mix during the first pregnancy, the mother's immune system will create antibodies immediately. This can lead to jaundice in the baby from the first pregnancy, as the mother's antibodies can cross the placenta and destroy the baby's red blood cell. Next cause is ABO incompatibility. Every human has a specific blood type determined by the presence or absence of antigens on their red blood cell. These antigens are categorized as A, B, AB, or O. ABO hemolytic disease of the newborn occurs when the mother has blood type O and the baby has a different blood type, such as A, B, or AB. During pregnancy, the mother's immune system may produce antibodies against the baby's red blood cells if they have a different blood type. These antibodies can cross the placenta and enter the baby's bloodstream. When these maternal antibodies bind to the baby's red blood cells, they trigger hemolysis, or the destruction of these cells. This leads to the release of hemoglobin into the baby's bloodstream. The breakdown of red blood cells produces a substance called bilirubin. Normally, the liver processes bilirubin, but when too much is produced, it can accumulate in the baby's body, leading to jaundice, or a yellowing of the skin and eyes. Newborns with ABO hemolytic disease may exhibit symptoms such as jaundice, pale skin, or lethargy. Doctors diagnose the condition through blood tests to check bilirubin levels and blood type compatibility. Treatment for ABO hemolytic disease may include phototherapy to reduce bilirubin levels, or in severe cases, blood transfusions. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preventing complications. While ABO hemolytic disease can be serious, proper prenatal care and early treatment can ensure a healthy outcome for both mother and baby. Blood type testing during pregnancy is essential for anticipating and managing this condition. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my explanation about hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN. I hope you have gained a clearer understanding of this disease. Thank you for following along until the end.